Hello. So in an effort this year to stop accumulating a ton of things, I have decided that when I finish a kit, and I actually have some of these from previous kits as well that I'm going to go through and do, I'm just going to sell the leftovers on my eBay. So I have so much stuff that just kind of accumulates and doesn't get used. And A, I hate to throw it away a couple years later. B, I would love for it to go to someone who maybe couldn't get the kit or missed out. It was sold out before you got to it, or you didn't want to spend all that money on it. So I would much rather, pass this on to somebody who would enjoy it. I'd love to give it away, but unfortunately with the price of shipping, I really can't afford to do that. So I am going to sort of pile all my leftovers together. I'm going to list this for, I think, $5 probably. I still need to weigh it and see what the shipping is going to cost, but that should, I think, cover the shipping anywhere in the US. Again, I have to double check that, but it'll be roughly $5, whatever the shipping amounts to. And I just wanted to give you a look at what's in it. Of course, there's only one of these because I only had one kit. I only have one set of leftovers, so it's first come, first serve, but I didn't use any of the foil, so that I've trimmed down to 4 pieces. I've got some cardstock that I have embossed. I've got a bunch of the pattern paper. There is a full sheet. This makes a full sheet of the cut aparts. I had just already cut it apart. Some smaller scraps, nothing too small, just things I thought were usable. And then a few pieces that I had trimmed down, of course, but didn't use. And these are all double-sided as well. I have a few pieces that I have colored and cut out that I didn't use, so I'm going to include those as well. I also have a bunch that I stamped out that I did not color. These are stamped with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, so your alcohol markers will work just great on them. Also, the sentiments that were included, I didn't use any of these, and again, I don't foresee myself using them, so I have cut them out, but they are all there. The sticker from a Doodlebug, which I didn't use. And then because I'm obviously keeping the stamp set, I wanted to make sure you had some sentiments to use in addition to the stamped out little guys. So I stamped out a sheet of the 3 main ones, and then I could fit 2 on one sheet of the happy birthday. So I went ahead and did that as well. So I will have this listed. I'm going to list it before I post this video to make sure that it's up and ready to go. I will link below for you. It's going to come in a package like this. I'm just going to stick it all inside there, weigh it, and it'll be ready for the label once it is sold. So hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope this finds its way to someone who maybe really wanted this collection and just didn't have the chance to get it. Talk to you guys again soon.